Most people think they get overlooked because they aren't natural leaders. That's a lie. The truth is, your social foundation is cracked, and no amount of confidence hacks will fix it. We're going under the hood today for a phase 1 structural audit to help you rebuild your presence from the ground up. Let's get into it. So, we're talking about this idea of being the social architect of our communication and really taking the power in our own hands and thinking about how we can change the way we show up in social interaction and working on things like communication, charisma, being intentional about what we want to do. If you think about presence, it's something that you actually can build. Some people, sure, are born with it. They're born with perfect communication, whatever that looks like to you. They're born with great storytelling skills. Like sometimes that's just an innate thing that we see with certain individuals. But most of the time, this is something that we all have to work on and all kind of have to think about deliberately building ourselves. And we're really trying to think about what does our foundation look like, because that's how we're going to create a blueprint for really great, strong, insightful communication. And if you think about some of the adjectives that you want to exhibit this year, I wouldn't choose more than 3, and then we can backtrack from there and